to start the mat, not only with the takedowns, but with like a good chance and a good opportunity to take the person's back. So we start over here. I have this. I don't want to let you hold my arms. You know, if you hold my arm, you have the control of all my grip. So I want to, I always like have my hands control his arm, have my hands avoid him, and then I'm gonna just like reach to his head and his elbow. But I want to reach, but I don't want to just hold. You know, if I hold, he has a chance to do the same with me. Just hold my head. So I want to do it and just like. Once I reach, I gotta just like pull him down and try to get this head locked. Once I do the head lock, make sure the side that you have his elbow, you like pinch against his head. The other arm is free. I can control the other arm, but this arm that is between my arms, I'm sure I can squeeze them. So just squeeze. And then like push, make it drop. Once he drop, that same side that we have his arm locked, I want you guys just like a run and circle to that side, because I know his arm not gonna be ready for me. Like just make sure your knee that's like behind, and then you just switch to the seat belt. And it's simple the seat belt because it's the same grip that I had before, but just on the opposite side. This arm was in the shoulder, goes to the other shoulder. This arm was in this armpit, goes to the other armpit. So it's the same grip. And the hand on the armpit, I was like on top of the other hand. Just stand up. The hand on the armpit, I was on top. That's how we got it to do. One more time. I have this. Headlock. Headlock, and then put a lot of weight on top of him. That's one of those reasons why he is going to drop on his hands. Pinch. Go behind. And just do that, guys. I want you guys just stop and get a good like a sit belt. One thing that you guys not be focusing too much is about the squeeze. Now I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more. So the squeeze is gonna come from this, like make sure like put your arms, try to get your elbows together. This is gonna pinch his arm against his head. So focus on that. Pinch your arms together. And then his head's going to be really like a tight now to his arm. But then I pass and I got on his back. A lot of the time we got somebody's back in that transition, he just take time to cover her. And I need to get my arm under his armpit and the other arm over the shoulder. And I have to connect my hands as soon as possible. Maybe if he's just cover up, I still have some time. If he's cover up, it's because he's not trying too much, you know what I mean? But we're gonna have to focus on this. Keep this hand forward. One hand forward and the other forward. Like this. So look what's gonna happen. This hand, guys, we have to like make like a almost like a tool to lift his elbow. We're gonna stand up this. Go like this. You see his elbow tight? I want you guys just keep elbow tight. That's enough. It's really hard to do across his foot, so just get up. Just a little bit. That's enough to like get your hand over there. So one side, you guys cannot see, but I already did that. And the other side is covered up. He's not stop my hand. Stop my hand. You don't let my hand go over there, so I'm gonna take his hand out and just shove my hand quick. In that time that he's covered, I can't get here, so take his hand and then get your hand over there. He has just one hand on the border to try to stop. But my hand's gonna go strong, so it's gonna be hard to the guy block this. So my hands come like a missile, like just, you know, it's gonna be hard to know where my hand's coming from. So just cover up like just make sure you open this arm and go over there. And once you have a good seat belt, now we're gonna have to put the hooks. In a competition, if you have a points ahead, it's gonna just make a total difference, even to give you a submission. So the side that I have my arm on top of the shoulder, I'm going to just get my knee in between his elbow and his knee. My knee in between. And this will come out first. And then get the other leg. One more time. Going behind him. I just get my left arm under his elbow. And the other hand couldn't get inside. Pull it. Get my hand inside. This knee is going to go in between his elbow, cover up. This knee. Between. Okay, and just hook in. And the other hook in.